Hello, today I will show you the new smart lock for outdoor gate. It can be the waterproof from training. So with this one we can use the card, swipe card to open. It's automatically locked when you close the door, and you can use the pin code. You can use the fingerprint. Also use the mobile app, and we have the, in case of any fail of the batteries, we use the back key. Mechanical key, manual one, you can turn it. For the battery, we can use a rechargeable battery with the solar panel. So the solar will recharge the battery and it can last for 1 or 2 years. Here is the back. Just use the normal knob, can open. And they have the sensor. When you close the door, it automatically locks.